Today I will show you how to create dispersion effect in Photoshop. Open Photoshop. Import the image. Ctrl+G to duplicate. Hide the original layer. Go to Filter tab. Click on Liquify option. Liquify box will appear. Drag the part of the image on which you want to create dispersion effect. Click on OK button. Hold Alt and click on Mask. Take a brush tool. Choose the coal spatter brushes just like I did. Choose the size accordingly. Hover the brush over the image. Foreground and background color needs to be white. Your dispersion effect is ready now. Hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe. And follow me for more such tutorials.